Hi, my name is Pete and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start blocking some on the Ram hood, get it ready for another round of primer. So we're going to block it with 150, we're going to start there. As I started blocking, I just heard the driveway alarm go off, so let's go check out. Let's go check out what just showed up. I think it might have been a delivery. It was. Well, let's dig in and see what we got. I'm a little dusty after blocking this. Got a set of plug wires with a square body. Three-prong temperature sensor wires. The oil adapter. Alright, and then this should be Silverado cold air in. Is it? Looks small. Small. We got instructions it is. And a cold air intake for Silverado. For the square body. Alright. So I got this cold air intake off of Amazon for a 99 to 06 Cat Eye Silverado. And we're going to see if we can make it fit on the square body. It's a budget. It was like, I think it was $50, $55 on Amazon. Well, we'll see if we can make it fit. But first, looks like we're going to have to clean this up a little bit. Alright, it still looks really dirty, so let's see if we can clean it up a little bit. Heck, it may have to soak. Kind of nasty. It's a lot of years. Should probably power wash this thing first. Woo-wee. Alright, that's a little better. Still a little dirty down that corner, but oh well. Should have power washed it. Probably still could. So my 6.0 came with the round coils, not the square ones. So my spark plug wires are too short, so I had to order new ones that are longer. So now we gotta change over all the metal pieces on these onto the new ones. Like that. I got the cold air intake fit on there. Could not use the box, but it's situated alright. I don't mind it.